Can't see no other way to get my freedom. Show me the flames, I wanna feed 'em. My mind is so loud, can't hear a sound. I'm crashing in the waves as my soul begins to drown. The cross on my back, the weight round my neck. My gift is my curse. This house ain't what it's worth. So burn it all down, 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 down. 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 Burn it all down. This is the only thing I've been good at, so leave me be and let me do that. My train is made of gold, I'm dancing on the tracks. I don't owe you nothing, still you send me back to black. The cross on my back, the weight round my neck. My gift is my curse. This house ain't what it's worth. So burn it all down, 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 down. Burn it all down, 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 down.
Met you underneath the moon. The night was over much too soon. We shared a kiss till daylight came and kissed the night goodbye. When the sun came up that day, we smiled and went our separate ways. But I can't leave the thought of you behind. No. Oh, you stayed with me, you stayed with me. Oh, in my heart and on my mind. Oh, like a melody that keeps haunting me. Oh, you stay.
I never meant to leave you hurting. I never meant to do the worst thing, not to you. 'Cause every time I read your message, I wish I wasn't one of your exes. No, I'm the fool. Since you've been gone, been dancing on my own. These boys up in my zone, but they can't turn me on. 'Cause baby, you're the only one I'm coming for. I wanna feel you all over my body. Look in my eyes and tell me I'm sorry. Baby, lay down and let's write the story. Just break down my walls without mercy and worry.
Your t-shirt hanging on my chair by the mirror, where you like to do your hair. I find it everywhere. It's on the bed, it's on my floor. It's like you leave your mark so everybody knows I'm yours. And I don't mind at all. No, I don't. When you gotta go, don't you leave me all alone. Leave your perfume on my pillow and your picture on my phone. Leave your towel on the shower and that empty shampoo bottle.
guess it was not enough, 'cause he never seemed satisfied. I know I'm not perfect, but at the end of the day, who is? He wanted someone that's perfect. Well, okay, but can you tell me who is? He set the bar